Welcome to An American Accent. This is the 10th video in a series where I group irregular verbs by their pronunciation, or more specifically, the stressed vowel, because that's what we really hear, and that's important for pronunciation. The vowels in these videos are referring to the Color Vowel Chart by Taylor and Thompson, where a color like purple has the vowel in it. Purple. Now in this particular video, all three forms have the same vowel sound. First group is red, red, red. Simple past and participle are red, but also the base form, the first form. So we got bet, bet, bet. Let, let, let. Make sure you're smiling a little bit when you do this eh sound, the short E, or here we just call it the red sound. I have a link in the description to the Color Vowel Chart and also to other videos where I describe more how to use the Color Vowel Chart. Set, set, set. Spread, spread, spread. These have the I vowel, the short I as in silver. Fit, fit, fit. Hit, hit, hit. Quit, quit, quit. Rid, rid, rid. And here are some different ones, smaller groups. Purple as in burst, burst, burst. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Olive, olive. Cost, cost, cost. And then we have the wood vowel, as in look and cook and took. Put, put, put. And the last two have the mustard vowel. The is in mustard. Cut, cut, cut. Shut, shut, shut. Notice how many of these are really short and end with a T for the most part. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.